Now I'd like to talk about source channel mappings. And this is the premise. Imagine you videotaped an interview and you have two microphones going to your camera. You have the lavalier that the person whom you're interviewing is wearing, and of course you have the on-camera mic or a nat sound mic, or maybe the mic that you're using to ask the questions. Needless to say, you want to keep these two tracks of audio separate so that you can manipulate them separately. Maybe you want to raise the volume of one of them and lower the volume of another one at different points in time. When you place them in the timeline, it's going to look like a stereo track just like this one, and that's just not good. This is not going to let you manipulate the left track separate from the right track. So this is what you need to do. We're going to select a clip and delete it. And we need to make sure that we do this before we use the clip at all in any sequence in the project. And this is how it works. Select the clip in the project panel and go under Clip, Modify, Audio Channels. And in here, instead of stereo, you could choose mono. And now the left channel is going to go to track 1 and the right channel is going to go to track 2. All you have to do is click OK, position the clip in the timeline again, and notice that now it's not going to go onto the stereo track, because in Premiere, mono clips need to live in mono tracks and stereo clips need to live in stereo tracks. So now these two are on mono tracks all the way down here. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the empty tracks. For that, just right click and choose Delete Tracks. And there you go. We can expand these. And as you can see, there's a single little loudspeaker here, and there are single tracks of audio here in the middle. You can now manipulate the left side separate from the right side on this particular clip, or any clip that you bring into Premiere. All you have to do is go to the source channel mappings, change it so that each channel goes to a different track, and there you go. You will be able to manipulate it in this fashion. This is very important, especially if you conduct a lot of interviews or if you conduct a lot of video work in which you need to separate the audio tracks.